If utilizing a hoist for hitch removal, grasp the top of the red hitch lifter. Push the red hitch lifter into the jaws. Release the hitch from the bed rails of your truck. Use a hoist or lifting device to remove the hitch out of the truck. Place the hitch on supports on the ground. This is best achieved by supporting your hitch with 2x4s or bricks. The hitch needs to be 6 to 8 inches off the ground and level. Remove the head pin from under the pivot head to remove. Use a hoist or lifting device to lift the pivot head from the hitch. Locate the adjustment nut and bolt adjacent to the pivot head upright protruding from the end of the main frame of the hitch. Loosen and back off incrementally. Remove the bolt and assembly that holds the pivot head. Remove the bolt from the upper slide assembly and pull the upper slide assembly up to remove, and the gear will drop down. Remove the top bearing from the old gear and place it on the new gear. Slide the new gear under the hitch and lift up until the bearing is in the slide assembly. We used a floor jack to lift the gear. You may use 2x4s or bricks. Either may be used as long as the gear mechanism stays in the up position, and make sure the gear is straight. Place the upper slide assembly on the spline, making sure the gear tongue is perpendicular with the upper slide assembly. Use the new 5/8 bolt provided to you in the kit. Tighten the bolt and torque to 50 foot-pounds. Place the pivot assembly into the upper slide assembly and reinstall the 3/4 by 5 inch bolt and nut and tighten with an impact. Tighten your adjustment bolt until the bearing is against the guide. Loosen the bolt and then finger tighten. If your bearing is hard to turn, back the adjustment bolt off 1/4 of a turn and tighten the jam nut. Reinstall the head. Now you're ready to reinstall the hitch in the truck.